Wolfscope is a visual system implemented in processing that creates ever-changing kaleidoscopic patterns from video camera input. It uses a variety of mirroring, palette shifting, and resolution reduction techniques. I named Wolfscope after the technique of howl around, the earliest form of video feedback that you might be familiar with if you've watched the original title sequence for the Doctor Who television show. Wolfscope premiered at ISTA 2019 in Cork with Ed Devane on sound devices. It seemed a very fitting accompaniment to his own home-built instruments. The implementation is quite simple. I have an Android tablet that I load with original photographs, and I just put that on a desktop surface, and it acts basically as a light table so that it will project up a photograph and I can move on to the next one and so on as source material. So the webcam then is handheld so that I can image these photographs from different angles and distances. I can also point the webcam at the surrounding room, the audience, and so on. But more importantly, I can point the webcam at the screen itself on the laptop, and in this way get feedback patterns. So this is a generative system. I seed it with visual information, but I'm not fully in control of how it might look. That said, I have added lots of different controls through the laptop keyboard, so I can change various parameters. I can color shift between the RGB components, change the brightness, introduce an alpha channel, and most importantly, create a kaleidoscope pattern with various numbers of slices on the screen, up to 9 actually. So what you're watching in this demo is just a variety of techniques that I used. So I wrote this system in processing, which is not the fastest environment for graphics, but is quite convenient, and it allows me to come up with code that's easy to read, easy to extend. And the lag, the slowness, the low resolution are all kind of deliberate to point out that this is a technological system. It is not smooth and perfect and wonderful. There are constraints that are put on me as the operator, and this just encourages me to be creative within those constraints. Okay, thanks for watching. The code is available on GitHub, and I will overlay the URL for your convenience. I hope you have fun.